So like this is a long way of doing it. Hello. Where are we at right now?
We're in Grand Central Station. No real reason for that, but I just wanted to find a cool place to talk and say to you guys, hey, today we're filming, talking about my new drum kit, the luxury drum kit. A bunch of different cars we're filming, doing some good content for you guys. Let's get right into it.
Getting any Are we going somewhere? Are we getting something? Are we buying?
Oh yeah, okay, well today...
We're gonna go to a music store,
yeah,
is that what we're doing?
I'm getting a electric shaver because I need to shave this little stub logo going on. And then I'm getting like a little poster or something for the background of the video because we're gonna be like filming in the apartment later on. And it looks like
If it says rec, it's recording, isn't it?
green.
Huh? Do you know what it says? Yeah. Where is it?
Boom. This one.
Oh, this is good video footage.
Yeah.
Just like go browsing.
This one.
Banger. Oh, bro, please. That's
Yes.
sick.
Push, stop, pull, run. What? That's pretty intense. Oh.
Over it.
Farts. Not allowed on the mic.
Why am I making this video and why should you watch it? I mean, number one, it's gonna be sick. And I'm also gonna be showing you how to make unique drum kits that actually sell. Now, technically luxury is a sound kit because it also contains loops and melodies, and sound kits can be one of the most profitable things that a producer can release. That being said, I probably won't be making any money off this sound kit because I got pretty carried away and spent way too much money on it. But the purpose of this kit wasn't really to make money, which would be great, of course, because this is my full-time job, but it was more of an idea that I had for a long time and I really wanted to execute this kit, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So in the spirit of me not making any money at all, you can use the discount code /30 for 30% off the drum kit for the next 50 downloads if you're interested. So these are the 4 steps in making a unique drum kit that actually sells. Step 1 is coming up with a unique idea first before you put any sounds together. So for example, with this kit, I really liked the idea of recording luxury cars.
2016 McLaren 650S. Mustang GT, 2016 model. Lots of engine mods, mainly on the intake side and just to breathe better.
And following that, all of the drum samples and loops and melodies that I created as well were created with the same intention. So for example, this is loop 1, which I called Fort Lauderdale, which is actually one of the places we'll be visiting in this trip. Yeah, let's use this one. Yes. I think this loop gives a good example of like a luxurious loop that you could use in your beats. This one was called Fair Trade because this was inspired by Drake and Travis Scott's Fair Trade. So step 1 is to separate your kits from other producers' kits with a unique idea. Step 2 is to add as much benefit as you can to the kit. What I mean by this is you need to be going above and beyond with adding as much value to the kit as you possibly can. While quality is 100 times more important than quantity as far as selling drum samples and loops and melodies, if you can show that there's a lot of content to be accessed with the kit, people will be more inclined to actually check out the kit and decide to pull the trigger on it. So once again, with the luxury sound kit, in addition to the 128 different car samples that we recorded,
1976 FJ45, so it was originally petty and now it's been converted to diesel.
Lamborghini Huracan Evo.
I also tried to add extra value by adding drum samples, melodies, loops, one-shots, and give producers as much benefit as possible with the kit.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158
So that's step 2. Step 3 is pretty straightforward, but I feel like I still need to say this. You need to be selling the sounds that you actually use in your own beats. So if people like the beats that you sell, they're also going to want to download the samples that you'll sell. So use the specific sounds that you've developed and use in your own beats. In the case of the 15 loops that I also added to the kit, while I wouldn't describe all of them as luxurious loops, I created all of those loops with the intent of using them in my own beats. For me personally, while I'm not the first person to come up with an idea like this, I think some of the recurring themes in hip-hop music of wealth, success, power, fame are well encapsulated with these fast/luxurious car sounds. Luxurious. So that's step 3. Step 4 is pretty much the promotion of the kit, which I haven't done very much for this kit, apart from maybe this video and on my Instagram, as I probably lack some experience in this area, but as the channel progresses, I might have more to offer you in that regard.
Thanks very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're working on your own drum kit, it helps you with your own drum kit. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys with some more videos coming up in the US.